Welcome to a sunny Woburn. This is about as slow as the rain's been up until now.
Oh, that's a great shot.
Well, mate. Oh, people.
Come back. Try him. That good? Get up the left? Huh? Oh. There's a high cut. It's alright.
Go on then, mate. Give it a crack, go on. So Luke is having a go at the par 5 in 2. That's what he's got. He's gone for it. Carry! Get over it! Ah! Mate, just in the trap, mate. No microphone, but good afternoon and welcome to VAS Golf. So I haven't done any videos for quite a while, a couple of weeks now. Just a few bits. Don't worry, it is coming. I keep saying it, but there are more coming. Hay fever's got hold of me. There's always an excuse, isn't there? But it has. In the last 2 weeks I've been struggling big time. But today we're playing somewhere rather different. I'm not recording because it's an invitation for like 4 of us playing, but I don't want to ruin the other guys' experiences by constantly filming. But that's second shot into par 5 there. And if you look back, it's a split fairway, so it might give it away where we're at today. Yes, we're at Woburn Golf Club. I haven't been here for at least 20 years. It's just a shame the weather is absolutely shocking. We've been soaked. It's actually, this is probably the calmest it's been. Bear with me. But yeah, it's been, well, it's actually chucking it as we speak. But the course immaculate. I'm playing my Marquess course. If I'm being brutally honest, I prefer the Duke's is my favourite, but this is awesome. There's the boys there just walking up. So I've just hit driver freeward, probably about 60 yards short. Not swinging it well today, but I haven't been out. Same old story really. I haven't hit any balls neither. I haven't really been hitting any balls in the sim or doing any work. So anyway, I'll take a few pictures, a couple of videos, nothing much, and I'll post it on here. Right, we shall see you in a bit. Yes, we're just walking up now here to this beautiful hole. So you can see split fairway, and that's what we've got into here. There's John there, there's Jack there, and there's Luke further up there. Obviously it's about the wobbling camera. Or is it the brolly? Now this is what you call a golf hole. The 9th on the Marquess course. These guys have absolutely hammered drives down here. Oh, it's gone, pushed. I've hit a good shot in, but it just not quite carried it, so it's hit the bank and come back a little bit. Luke's down there, and as you can tell, it is raining, people. It's May and it's bloody raining again. This is what happens to us normally when we go to Liverpool to play Birkdale and Lytham and things like that. What is going on in May?